Namaste, I'm Archana Pammi. Welcome back to my channel. This is the how-to for Trikonasana or the triangle pose. We're going to be using a block to help get into the pose comfortably. Without the block also it can be done. So I will demonstrate how it is done. Step wide, placing both the feet parallel to each other. Heels are in the same line. Now this can be slightly wider than your shoulder width, not too wide, neither too close. So just about a little bit wider than your shoulder. I'm going to take the block and place it behind the right foot because that's what we are going to start with on the right side. So just turn the right foot such that it is facing the short edge of the mat. Inhale, arms to the side. As you exhale, tilt your body forward towards the right side, bending along the right side. So the main goal is to place the palm on the foot, but in that action if you see I'm tilting forward, that needs to be avoided because we are trying to do a lateral or a side stretch here. So as you make progression, you will slowly approach the feet. Till then, we are going to be placing it either on the shin, on the ankle, or like I am doing, placing it on a block. And as you find the balance, you can gaze up. Your upper arm is extended. It's almost lifting your body away from the mat and the ground. Gaze at the upper arm and breathe for about 10 counts or 15 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You look down, exhale, bend the knee, inhale and use your arms to lift back to the center. Turning the right foot inward, now we are going to shift to the left side. So I'm just going to move the block behind. Now for my height and the extent of the side stretch that I'm doing, I'm using the long side. If you are able to bend further, you could always use the medium or the shortest form as well. So inhale, turn the left leg to the left edge of the mat. Inhale, arms to the side. Exhale, slide forward toward the left side and tilt and place the left arm on the shin or the ankle or on top of the foot, ensuring that your body is not rolling forward and your hip is not rolling forward. Continues to stay facing the side edge of the mat and using the support of the block if required. Gaze up, upper arm active, lifting the body away from the mat. And once you find the balance, again if this is intense, you could always look down, you could always look in the front. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look down, exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhaling, stepping together. So that was how Trikonasana is done. It is, although a simple asana, it is intense because you are doing a deep lateral stretch. If you're finding this intense, you can always stand against with your back touching into a wall, so you're not losing your balance and trying to lose focus. The second thing is, I used a block. If the block is too low, you could always place a chair, top it up with a couple of cushions, and you can place your arm on the chair and then do your lateral, tilt for this triangle pose. Now because we are working the laterals, this pose is very beneficial to reduce your waist fat, and it also massages these organs, so definitely helps in your digestion. A very good pose and one of the classical asanas as well of Hatha Yoga. So Trikonasana or the triangle pose. Namaste.